Hi students, in this video we are going to study about finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. This is a very important topic that you can get questions in class 7, 8, 9, even 10th also. So what does it mean? What does rational numbers between two rational numbers? You understand students, between every two number there are many numbers. Many means infinite numbers. Now if I take a number 5 and number 12, the visible numbers between them are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the numbers between 5 and 12. Now apart from these numbers there are more numbers. So these are easily we can understand. These are visible numbers. Now invisible numbers, which means many other numbers are there in between 5 and 12. So like that, not only these numbers, between every numbers there are a lot of numbers. So in this topic we are going to find such numbers, and since we study about rational numbers, we are going to find the numbers between two rational numbers. So for that, let me take an example. Okay, so here the example is minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. So minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3, in between them we need to take two rational numbers. Okay, we are going to take 2, or let it be 3, 4, 5, anything. So in between we need to take. So what we need to do first is we must make them with the same denominator. We must make them to like fraction with the same denominator. For that we need to take the LCM. So here the LCM is 15. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now I need to convert the 5 as 15 and also 3 as 15. So minus 3 by 5 I will have to multiply by 3. So I get denominator as 15. The same way minus 1 by 3 I will have to multiply by 5. So I get denominator 15. Now this changes as minus 9 by 15 and minus 5 by 15. Okay. Now between since the denominators are same, I can choose from between the numerators. So between minus 9 and minus 5 there is minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So I will give upon 15 for everything because the denominators are same for everything. So these are the three rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Now if you want 5 rational number, imagine you want 5 rational number, but you got only 3. So what you will do is, after making the denominators same, you will count between minus 9 and minus 5, only 3 you are getting, isn't it? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So what you do? You increase the denominator by multiplying with 2 or 3 or 4, anything. So imagine I multiply by 2. So here also by 2. Here also by 2. Here also by 2. So this changes to minus 18 by 30 and this one minus 10 by 30. So now between minus 18 and minus 10 I get minus 17 minus 16 minus 15 minus 14 minus 13 minus 12 minus 11 by 30. Okay, these much rational numbers I get. Now if I want more, I will multiply with some greater number than 2. So I get more rational number. So this is how you find the rational number between two rational number. So here there is another one example is given. See this question, list 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. So what you do is, in between minus 2 and minus 1, you know, easily you cannot get the number, because in the number line minus 2 and minus 1 are near numbers. They are near to each other. So what you do? you convert into equivalent fraction. You find the equivalent fraction of these two numbers. So you give a denominator upon 1, and you know their denominators are same, but still you don't get any numbers between them, because in between -2 and -1 there are no numbers, you see. So what do? You increase the denominator by multiplying with any numbers. So I multiply here with 10, because multiplying with 10 is easier. So here also I multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So when I multiply with the same number on the top and bottom, I get an equivalent fraction. So I get here minus 20 by 10 and here minus 10 by 10. Now between them I get minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, till minus 11 by 10. Okay, so I get so many rational numbers. Now among these rational numbers I will choose any three. I can choose minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, only this much. So how much you want, that much you can write, only by making the denominators same. Now if you make the denominator same and still if you don't get, you increase the denominator by multiplying with any number, same numbers, but it must be same number. Okay, I hope you understood this topic, finding a rational number between two rational number. Here see there are few questions given. See, list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0, -2 and -1, -4 by 5, -2 by 3, -1 by 2, 2 by 3. So here ultimately what you need to do, you need to make the denominators same, and even the denominators are same. When you don't get, you increase the denominator by multiplying, so then you will get. Okay, I hope you understood this part. Thank you.